In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the landing page based on the information in the email. Starting off, as you see, I've already logged into the dashboard. So if you go into Pages, and you see I've made a copy of the page here. I call it Clone, so I'm going to edit that one. I want to click Edit with Divi. So now I'm going to scroll down to where I need to make the rest of the changes. So this is all just filler content right here. So I'm going to click this first one, and you click that gear icon, then you can edit what's in this particular module. And here's that text. I want to highlight it. And now I'm going to go to the email that has the information that I want to include. I'm going to start with where it has the essentials. I'm just going to hold and copy that. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to make it bold and save that. I'm going to click the next module, do the same thing. I'm going to highlight all that, go back to the email, copy this, and make that bold. Save that. Do the same thing here. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click the bullet points and then delete what's in there. Go back to the email. I'm going to do these individually. And that basically completes that part. We don't need this one. If we go back to the original document, you see we go from these bullet points down to the don't delay. So I'm going to delete it just by clicking the trash can there. Now if we want to, we can play around with this. If you click the gear and then you go to, and we can adjust some more settings. Well, actually, let's get out of that for a second. Go into the design tab, go down to spacing. We can put a left margin, let's say 15 or 20. And you see there's a little indentation there. So if we want that to be more, we can just keep clicking that arrow. So now we got that indented. I noticed up here that some of this needs to be in bold. So if we go back to the original email and go up, so step 1, step 2, step 3, that's all the bold, and then the book complementary strategy session is bold and underlined. So let's go back into here. Now if we click here, we can put that on the next line. Click here, put that on the next line. Click here, put that on the next line. Bold. Bold. Underline. Bold. Well, it should be bold. There we go. Make that bold. So I'm going to come out of that. Before I do anything else, I'm going to save it. And I'm going to come back in here into the click the gear to get back into the settings. Go into design, text, and you can adjust the line height. I want to get these a little bit closer, so I'm going to see what happens. Alright, I'm going to go with that. And also I'm going to play with this margin here. Drag that up a little bit. changes that need to be made is to add the link. The link is going to go here and here. So again, click the gear icon, go down here, and where it says link, right now I've got a pound sign, which means it's just going to stay on that page. So if we go back into the email with the link, I want to copy this. Go back into the editor and want to replace the pound sign with the actual link. I want to save that. And I could click this and it would open it up in a new window, which I think I'll do. Open up in a new tab and save it. And since we're going to use the same link, we're just going to go down here again, click the gear icon. I don't know if this really had to be on the page, but I'm leaving it there anyway. And come down to link. Paste just plain text and save it. And that's pretty much how you make changes. So everything looks good. I'm going to save it. Now the only thing now we have to do, I'm going to show you something that we could have done in the beginning, but I just wanted to show you how to get rid of this footer. For a landing page, we don't want a footer, and we don't want this menu showing up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to exit the Visual Builder. And go back to the dashboard. Click Pages, All Pages. Now we're going to do a quick edit of the clone. When we do the quick edit, we come over here and click blank page for the template and update. Now when we preview it, you see the menu is gone at the top and the footer is gone at the bottom, and it's ready. I'm going to test out the changes that we made. We put in the link here. That opens up to the jot form. And down at the bottom it's got the calendar. So that's it. It's working. Done deal.